Hey guys, just a quick one, just so that we haven't shown you much in the way of the automotive or trucks and that. So had a couple of people ask us have we had much in. Yes, we have, so I'll show you a few bits and pieces. So, coming through, we've had a restocks from AMT, places like that, you know, 57 Chev, if you're chasing, this is the 16th scale one. So if you're looking for that bigger version, that's quite nice. They've also got the Thunderbird, 57 Thunderbird, so always a classic. So we've had a lot of AMT, lots of bits and pieces like that. A bit of Aoshima, a little bit of Revell, bit of Hasegawa. What else have we had? Bit of Italeri, so that's a little bit of that come through. So there's trucks. I've always had comments that I don't talk much about trucks. This is some of the restocks we've had. 40 foot, that's from AMT, yep, and MPC there. Italeri, we've had a few restocks from them. So Volvo, 4H, Globetrotter. What else have we got? Iveco Highway, 480, so that's just come in. What else have we had? That's the fire truck. I think we've had that before, but I don't think we've had it for a little while, so that's just come in. So that's good. What else? Freightliners, Globetrotters, more Globetrotters, the classic Peterbilt. Had restocks from Trumpeter of the La France fire truck. That hasn't been available for some time, so if you're looking for one, that's just been just come back into us. Across the top, big Firebird, AMT. Now this is their Ladder Chief. That's another one. If you're into fire engines, that's just come in as well. So that looks cool. If you're looking for a load for your trucks, this is the construction bulldozer and low loader. So you've got all that included. It's got a super decal sheet. A super combo special, 2 complete kits molded in 2 colors. Over 500 detailed parts, so not bad. I believe it is the 24th scale. Special features, highlights, there you go. Things like that. Yeah, 1/25th scale. So if you're looking for that to go with your truck, things like that. We've had that come back in from, this is the Haynes stuff, I think, or Machine Works. That's the V8 motor. So that's just come back in as well. So there's been a bit of stuff come in through the sort of the bits and pieces here. Motorbikes, of course, always nice to have the Tamiya ones. We should be getting some more back in. Bit of Sci-fi. Oh, now this has just come back in. This has been unavailable for nearly 60 years. Since Atlantis, it was actually produced by Monogram years and years and years ago, obviously 60 years ago. Was released probably only once or twice and never been redone again. This literally hasn't been around for years. So if you're looking for that Snoopy series, or you want to, you know, show the kids, but it works. It's all snapped together and it's all pre-colored. So just basically build it, have a bit of fun with it. We are getting the Snoopy Sop with Camel and also the Red Baron triplane. So if you got to like these old Snoopy series, or you just want to get those aircraft or those bits and pieces, there's a bit of this stuff to come out because Atlantis has got hold of all the old Monogram series. They've obviously done a deal with the Peanuts people. So if you're into Snoopy, come and grab one of these. These are really cool. So that's quite good. Bit of Star Trek, bit of new Jupiter 2 re-released. That's from Squadron. Now, if you were thinking about buying one of these, the Habanel 2, do it soon, because Squadron itself is shut down completely. Where the molds have gone or who's got the molds, have no idea. So I don't know whether we're going to see this kit again. In all likelihood we will, but if you have been sort of putting off getting one, then you might want to grab one. This is actually this Alien Invaders. I think it still does have all the parts for the German one, but it has some sections to go in to close it up. So that's the Alien Invaders one. NPC's Space 1999, we've got a bit of that back in. Star Trek, Space 1999 there. What else have we got? That's it. So there's been quite a bit of stuff come in from there, so it should be good. So have a great day. Glad I've been able to show the automotive people something. So have fun. See you then. Bye.